Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be learning how to make this simple origami puffy heart. You can use it as a candy pouch too. I'll be using 15 cm by 15 cm square sheet of paper and I'll be starting with folding the paper into half. Open the flap and on the other side fold 3/4 cm up as demonstrated. Now fold this space into half. Keeping the open side on the top, bring down the flap by aligning the bottom flap as demonstrated. Now we can see a small gap from the center crease here. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. Align the side to the bottom flap so that you will be having a gap in between two flaps. Now fold the flap in the cone shape. Make a crease only in the ends. We need this point. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. Bring this corner to this point and make a new crease. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. Now fold this triangle in both the sides. You can see a pocket here. Tuck the triangle inside the pocket. If you are using this heart as a candy pouch, you can open this flap and insert a candy over here. Then close the heart as shown. Fold down small triangles on all the four corners to give a curved shape to the heart. Blow through here to inflate the heart. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.